In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram songs currently unavailable. Now the main reason that this happens is because the song that you're trying to play is not licensed for your region or your country. If you have that issue, then you can try out everything and it will still not work out for you. Now if it is showing on every other song that you're trying to play on Instagram, you can now try to fix this issue. Firstly, open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. Now if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update the app of Instagram. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply tap and hold the app of Instagram, and then you can try to uninstall the application. Once it's been installed, you can now again try to download it and try to log in, see if it fixes that issue. Now once you do that, if you had problem with playing every other song on Instagram, that should be pretty much fixed by now. But if there is a particular song that is not playing, as I said earlier, it is just because that current song is not available on your region or in your country. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll be back with more.